So most people solve this question like 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, right? Then again 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is equal to also 6. Now 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is equal to 36, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 8 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis first. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So times 6, right? Now here we have subtraction and here multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 8 minus, now 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4, right? So the correct answer is minus 4. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.